I think I started losing my hair maybe when I was noticeably probably when I was 24, 25, so relatively early, I'd say. By that stage, I'd met my girlfriend, who's now my wife, so I think I got a bit complacent about it. I think if I was single for a bit longer, I probably would have done this earlier, maybe. It's obviously being on camera now, and some of the comments during my videos saying like, "Oh, your hairline's as bad as your cricket shot," you know. Well, things like that, they do maybe just take their toll. I guess not that I'm not confident, but I think it will add a level of confidence on camera, and also just with walking around. Often I'll be wearing a hat, I'll take off the hat and I'll be like, "Oh, I actually don't know what my hair looks like." There were more nerves last night. It's game day today, so now we're focused, now we're ready to go. It was a good day. Listening to a bit of Coldplay, watching a bit of Friends, could be worse, eh? Pre-op, the nerves, but like I said, the staff and you made me feel really calm, really comfortable, and actually it was quite an enjoyable experience. Managed to catch up on a bit of sleep as well, which is great. But yeah, all in all, a very positive experience. I'm looking forward to going back to South Africa and showing my family. Treatment rooms, London. Let's go.